Downtown Detroit fireworks. They've been going off for about 7 or 8 minutes now. It's starting to get a little bit more lively and festive, as you can see. It's beautiful. You feel safe. There's a ton of police down here to keep the peace. Everyone's enjoying and having a good time watching the fireworks. Enjoy it, folks. If you haven't been able to come and check it out, if you're at work, if you're at home watching it on TV, you want to get on SocialCam, you can come and check it out right here for a little bit. We're up close and personal, right next to the GM Rents and Battle. Sometimes you think it's the finale, but they're just warming up.